I'm sorry. I was a little windy when we were out there, and you were saying something about jumper cables. What's going on?
Well, I want my jumper cables back. I'll give you yours.
Wait a minute.
Yours are in the back of my car, okay? Because you lent them to me. That's very simple concept.
Well,
I don't have mine because I lent mine to Rita, and she never gave them back.
well, I'm a little confused because I came into my garage and there was a pair of jumper cables wadded up into a ball, almost as if you put them there.
Well, they're probably mine. If you bring them over and put them in my Envoy, you can take yours back. They're in the Envoy.
And envious of what?
Envoy.
Oh,
car.
I thought you said something about envious.
Oh, Jesus H. Christ. Give me my fucking jumper cable back. Take your fucking jumper cable back. What, you retarded?
Uh-uh.
You must be. You're born you love him.
Oh, he's doing.
Greatest thing since sliced bread, no matter how crummy.
What do you think?
No matter
What do you think about this impeachment?
no matter how much it embarrasses the country.
What do you think about this impeachment thing, though? Isn't it? Don't you think it's a?
I just wish that he would be gone.
Don't you think it's a big witch hunt, though?
No.
It's gonna.
Oh, you witch hunt.